So over here in my media library, you can see that I have some images and a text file over here as well, a document that is. So now you can see that right now I'm using the free account, which has 1 GB of free storage. So if I want to store more, I actually have to upgrade it. But let's say what I have is, let's say I want to keep on using the free account and then my space is being used up. In that case, you might want to go ahead and delete out some of your media files, because media files usually take a large chunk of the space that is available. So if you want to go ahead and delete some files, you can simply select out the images right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead and select out some images. That's a repeat, as you can see right here, just like this. And then I'm simply going to select this as well and this as well right here, maybe this document as well. So if I want to delete it, I can simply click and select it and then click on the dustbin button right here and then click on delete over here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it's simply deleted. But what you need to keep in mind is that once you delete out the media files, it's permanently deleted. You don't have a trash bin where you can go and recover this, as with many other programs. And that is how you can simply go ahead and delete out media library files if you don't need them inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.